Alright guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use price action techniques, price action patterns to nail exact highs and lows like you can see right here in any market. Stocks, futures, Forex, options, doesn't matter. Price action works in every market. And best of all guys, when you finish watching this price action video, you're going to learn how to trade the market without using any indicators whatsoever. Alright, so let's go ahead and fire this up. Alright, what's up guys? It's Mark here at Dino Trading. Hope you had a fantastic trading week. Market continues to grind higher. Awesome trading opportunities. In fact, this is the chart setup from Friday, the most recent session. And what I've noticed about traders, alright, I've talked to thousands of traders, maybe tens of thousands of traders over the last few years, is I still continue to see traders who use indicators like this, right? Traders that somehow think that there's a magical signal going to reveal itself on a candlestick or an indicator or a MACD or whatever this crap is here on the bottom. The reality is, folks, I mean, I'm going to give it to you straight. I know that some of you guys out there who swear by your indicators, you're not going to like this, but the reality is that there's a reason that every charting package, platform, broker in the world gives you indicators for free, candlestick charts for free, right? You get what you pay for. Candlestick charts and indicators, again, in my opinion, this is only my opinion, okay, they don't tell you what's actually happening in the market. What direction is the market going in? How to identify a trend? How do I get in on a trend, right? I mean, I've talked to so many traders who have just gotten destroyed in the market by trading indicators, trading candlesticks, trading MACD, moving average lines, whatever the heck it is, right? At the end of the day, guys, you have to take responsibility for your own trading. No one's going to hold your hand. No one's going to do it for you. You got to step up and learn how to trade professionally, right? Learn real price action by looking at charts like this and really understanding how the market works, okay? Because 95% of traders out there, they're looking at charts like this. It's no dispute, right? It's a fact. The other 5%, the successful traders, the winning traders, well, they're able to identify and forecast the starting point of trends, right? And how to get in cleanly, nicely, low risk, right? Get to break even as quick as you can, and let the market do the heavy lifting, okay? And to do that, you have to have a side-by-side approach. So let me show you what a side-by-side approach looks like. All right, guys, here we go. This is what a side-by-side setup looks like. This is what I think every trader in the world, regardless of what you trade, stocks, futures, Forex, even options, this is what you're going to need if you want to find success in trading, right? A price action, higher time frame chart on the left, followed by another price action, smaller time frame chart on the right, right? What I call a top-down approach. If you did nothing else this year except learn price action trading, top-down approach, you're going to find success on day one. I can promise you that, all right? So let me illustrate for you what you're looking at. This red signal bar, what I call the Dino signal bar, all right, this is your short signal, potentially, has been drawn on the smaller time frame chart, okay? What do you do when you get a short signal? Well, I'll tell you what you don't do. You don't randomly rush out and try to short the market. You got to be careful. You got to be selective in your trading, and you got to look for only what you would consider a low risk setup. So how you do that is to the right of this red stripe here, all right? You're only looking for one thing, and you're looking to sell short this market. How you do that, guys, carefully, is by drawing every single pivot point that you can see, right? Just balls to the wall, draw every single pivot point. These pivot points mean something, right? They're essentially areas of support, and if they get broken, that means the buyers have given up and the sellers are in control, And what you do with these pivot points is you connect trend lines. You're basically looking to connect trend lines in this fashion, right? So you connect these pivot points with a line just like this. That makes it a trend line. And if the price breaks the trend line, which you can see it clearly did right there, that's your entry, man, right? Nothing complicated about this. I don't understand why people make trading complicated and why they stare at crap like this all day long trying to figure it out. They never will. Let those guys fuss around with their heads up their ass. Don't be that guy, all right? So once you shorted it, obviously your stop needs to get placed at the most recent swing high. That's it. There is nothing more simplistic in the entire world. Any number of trading systems out there, there is nothing more simplistic than the 3 steps I just showed you, right? Step 1, wait for the dyno signal bar. Step 2, draw trend lines. Step 3, go short on a trend line break, place the stop, right? Let me just go ahead and maximize the T-bar chart here and fit this properly. And let's see how this trade played out. I mean, look at that thing. Jesus, look at that thing, right? Sold off hard, and we got in all the way over here, okay? I mean, really think about that. This is 150 Dow points. Clean, right? Stop never gets touched. This stop never, ever gets touched, right? What about that long signal? Let's go ahead and take a look at that long signal, which would be this one right here, this long signal right here, and we're looking to capture this retracement right here on the T-bar chart. So let's just go ahead and find that on, again, the smaller time frame chart. This is the signal, right? In fact, let's go back to our side-by-side view, just like we did before, and now we're looking for this long signal right here. Okay, so this long signal bar, I've manually drawn that as a stripe. You need to do that. It's not hard. It takes half a second to do that. It's the F7 key on your keyboard. And anything to the right of this stripe, you're looking for longs, right? Shame on you if you tried to sell this market again when the charts are telling you that you're supposed to be a buyer and only a buyer, right? So let's repeat the steps that we just did 2 seconds ago. Capture every single pivot point. Just go nuts with these pivot points, right? And you're looking now to draw trend lines in this fashion. It has to be at a decent angle, somewhat of a decent angle, right? So here is a nice sequence of trend lines just like that, right? Beautiful. Trend line gets drawn. Entry happens right there. Stop gets placed right there. In fact, let's just go ahead and maximize the T-bar chart right now, okay? Again, guys, nothing complicated about this. These are just simple trend lines. Any 6-year-old could draw a trend line. And I've always felt that the more simple a trading system is, the more successful it's also going to be, right? So if I spin this forward, look at that beautiful move, right? Price doesn't lie. The charts don't lie. You guys, you gotta be passionate about this. You gotta be excited about this. You gotta be high energy when it comes to trading. If you're lethargic, if people have told you that you have kind of a subdued personality or you don't maintain a high level of interest or excitement, then guys, that's 90% of the game, right? Being passionate about trading, wanting and having the desire to making money from the market, treating the market as an ATM. You show up at 7 o'clock in the morning, you trade, you withdraw money from the market like an ATM, and after the market closes, you enjoy your profits, and you come back again and do the exact same thing, right? That, guys, is the power of a price action based chart. There's nothing else like it in the world. You know what I'm saying? So here's the takeaway, guys, okay? Starting today, starting right now, after you finish watching this video, commit to learning just one strategy, just one chart pattern, one price action strategy, whether it's trend lines, whether it's retracements, just like this, anything within the context of price action. I can almost guarantee you that it's going to transform your trading on day one. Okay? And if you want to know how to get your hands on the Dynobars charts, just get in touch, call, text, email, whatever you want to do. I'm happy to show you how I can help. All right, guys, thanks for watching this video, and see you on the next trade.